If you're looking for an inexpensive tongue and groove pliers, you may want to look at these Workpro. They're less than 20 bucks, and there's an 8-inch and a 10-inch version of them. I've had these for a couple of weeks, and I must admit, I don't use anything larger than about 8 inches. My toolkit that I have since 2022, when I redesigned it, is 8 inches is sort of the maximum of what I have things in it. So I haven't used the 10-inch one, but I have used this 8-inch one on a couple of items. So I'll talk a little bit more about that. But the biggest difference between the 8-inch one is how wide this particular groove is that you can take. As you can tell, from this one's about 1.25 inches, so that you can grip something. And on this one is almost 2 inches between these two, if that's something that you're interested in really looking at and needing. They're also fairly heavy compared to some of the other things that I'm going to talk about. But I have liked using this. I think that it's got a really nice firm handle on it. I like this particular handle piece. It is considered a chrome steel, which is very much resistant to corrosion. And because of that, you can expect it to last a long time. Because I've changed out what is my toolkit, I've got a couple other things that I want to compare it to. Now, the other things I'm going to compare it to are literally 2 to 3 times the price. One of the things I want to compare it to is this Knipex 180, which is 7 1/4 one. This is an older one that I have. I've got a newer one. I couldn't get to it right away. But this one, you can tell from looking at it, is going to be much thinner. And so it's going to be much lighter. It's also going to, compared to this one, it's going to have a little wider bite on it. This one's 1 1/4 bite. I'll show you what this is. We'll go from the 4 to about the almost 2-inch bite. So it's got about the same bite. If you widen it out very much, has the 10-inch one, but normally it's really about the same bite as the 8-inch one is. This one obviously is going to be better for some people. As I stated, new, this one's going to be in the mid 30s, low 40 range. Both of these combined are about 20 bucks. The other thing that I wanted to compare it to is this Klein. This is the D530. This is a 7-inch one. I actually bought a 2-pack. It was on sale when I got it. I can't remember if it was Home Depot or Lowe's, but like a big box store. And I walked in to get some. I saw the 7 and 10-inch one, and they were like box. Normally they're in the 50 buck range. So I got the 7 and 10-inch one. I sold or gave away the 10-inch one. But that reminds me, if you look at these two, you're looking at something that is a little bit closer in width. But the bite on this one, as you can tell just right away, is going to be much bigger than on the 7-inch. And here's the 10-inch bite. Not quite the 10-inch bite, but it's bigger than this 8-inch bite one. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about this Klein one. I tried using it. I think it's really good use if you don't expand it the whole way. Once you get it the whole way, it gets a little wobbly here, so just be aware of that. So that's the difference between these two items. Now, I want to show you the different weight of them so that you can see for yourself. So once again, as you can tell, the Workpro ones are going to be much heavier and a little bit more feeling heavy duty if you're really needing to have some torque with them. I also feel more comfortable because it has the easy grip on it. If I were to use a hammer on them to loosen up something, that would be okay. With the Knipex, you really shouldn't use a hammer on it, but because of their design, you're able to grip things a little differently and also a little better. Same here with the Klein. Now this one, because it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots, it limits you in where you can put it and how well that grip is. Where here have almost 3 times the number of little slots in here. I liked using this, as I stated. It's not going to be my #1 thing. I'm going to use something like this more so, but just remember, this is going to cost 3 times more than the Workpro. Most people can get away with using the Workpro one. Just to let you know that Workpro also has, I think, an 8 and 10 inch ones that are closer in size and function to the Knipex and the Klein, and they're also in the same price range. I'll just quickly show you a picture of those. Everything here that you see, I will have a link in the description. If there's something that I'm missing that you want to know about using this Workpro one, please let me know. This is Haku EDC. Please like, subscribe, give me a 4-point review, and I'll see you in the future.